Hi boys and girls. Today we are going to look at some bills and coins of Trinidad and Tobago. We are going to take a close look at the $1 bill, the $5 bill, the 1 cent and the 5 cent pieces. How well do you know about the money that you spend? Let's take a closer look. This is a $1 bill. The first thing we notice is the color. The color is red. The next thing we notice is that there's a picture of two birds on the side, and those are scarlet ibis, the national birds of our country. To the middle, we have the coat of arms. The coat of arms is present on all money of Trinidad and Tobago. The next thing we notice is the number 1. The number 1 is written in all the corners on both sides. So in this picture here, we can see the 1 at the top on both sides, both corners, and the 1 at the bottom corners. And then we have the words $1, and at the top we have Central Bank of Trinidad and Tobago. So these are the features of the $1 bill on the front side. To the back of the $1 bill, we have again the 1, both in all the corners. We have the number 1 and the dollar sign. Now the dollar sign is simply an S with either 1 stroke or 2 strokes. So we have $1 represented by the symbols here. And then we have the central bank. Now the Central Bank of Trinidad and Tobago is located in Port of Spain. And this feature or this place is where the money is made. We also have a picture of the Point Lisas Industrial Estate. So to recognize the $1 bill, you also have to look on the back of it to find the Central Bank of Trinidad and Tobago, the Point Lisas Industrial Estate, right? And of course, on all corners, all sides, we have the number 1. Let's move on. So now we go on to the $5 bill. And for the $5 bill, we have similar features. First, we see a bird, a different bird to the one we saw on the $1 bill. This bird is called the blue-crowned motmot, another local bird. And then we have the same coat of arms in the middle. So the $1 has it, the $5 has it. As I told you before, all money of Trinidad and Tobago has the coat of arms. So our next feature we will look at is the number 5. And this is how we know we have a $5 bill. So we have the number 5 in all corners. All corners, you will find the number 5. All corners and both sides. So the front, you will find the number 5 in all the corners. And of course, we have the word 5 down here and the word dollars. So this is $5. Again, the same Central Bank of Trinidad and Tobago, where I told you the money is made. And the color of the $5 bill is green. So the back of the $5 bill has the Central Bank again, Central Bank of Trinidad and Tobago. And we also have the number 5 with a dollar sign on all corners of the money. All corners of the money. And then we have a picture of some people in a market or the market scene. So let's see again the central bank, the number 5 in all corners, and the market scene. So if you take a $5 and you look at it, you'll see the market scene to the back of it. So now we go on to the 1-cent coin. Did you know that we no longer use the 1-cent coin? If you have a 1 cent, it will not be valuable anymore. It is not being used anymore. But still you need to know that when we were using it, it looked like this, and there was a 1 to show it's 1 cent. And remember I told you all money has the coat of arms. To the back of it, there was a coat of arms. Right? So we no longer have it. We no longer use it. Right. Next we have the 5-cent coin. Now what number do you think is written on the 5-cent coin? The number 5. So the number 5 is on the 5-cent coin, and the word cents. So 5 cents. This word is cents here. Right? And there's a bird, and the bird is the bird of paradise. So we call that bird the bird of paradise. So if you hold up a 5 cents, you will see the number 5. You will see the bird of paradise. That's the front. To the back is the coat of arms. The coat of arms. And to the bottom of the coat of arms, you will have the year that the coin was made. So in this case, this coin here was made in the year 2012, right? And here we have the words Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. So to recognize the 5 cent, we have the 5, the bird of paradise, the word cents, and behind, to know it's Trinidad and Tobago money, you have to remember it has the coat of arms. So let's take a look at some bills. Do you know which one is or belongs to Trinidad and Tobago? Yes, this is the $1 bill of Trinidad and Tobago. Now, do you know which one of these bills here is the $5 of Trinidad and Tobago? This one is great. So we have just discussed the features of the money that belongs to Trinidad and Tobago. We looked at the $1 bill, the $5 bill, the 1 cent, and the 5 cent. There are other coins and bills, but we will do that in another video. So, thanks for joining me.